Okay, this is such a beautiful, beautiful day. I am doing a video, and this video requires me not to put makeup, too much makeup, not put too much dingling, as comfortable, as relaxed as possible. So let me see. I should have some earring. Oh, I do not have earring, but it's not important. So I come outside to do a video, and this is so beautiful, the scenery. Look at it behind me. Maybe I should show you the scenery, right? You do not want to see this old woman. Okay, so autumn is coming. And just a couple of days ago, actually just last night, there was a huge storm, and some of the trees fell down. Oh, maybe this one is also, it's not a whole tree, it's a branch. But there were some huge eucalyptus trees falling off, falling down. And such is life. Old tree gone, new trees will come. I just feel that the land has some water. This very dry land gets some water. It's so good. This is so good. Look at the cloud, so dramatic. The sun is trying to get out. I hope it fights and succeeds and gets out of the shadow. Oh, this is good. You have a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye.